What are you doing, Abs? Eating Cheerios?
Yeah.
Are they good?
Good.
You say yummy?
Good.
Yummy. Abby, what sound does a dinosaur make?
Raw.
Raw. That's right. What sound does a cow make?
Back to week.
What sound does a cow make? Moo. What sound does a monkey make? Very good. How about a doggy? What sound does a doggy make? Huh? Doggies are outside?
Yeah.
What sound does a doggy make though? Ruff, ruff. Very good. What sound?
Doggy.
Outside?
Outside.
We'll go out there in a few minutes and look, okay?
Yeah.
What sound does a cat make?
Moo.
A cat does not say moo. What does a cat say? Kitty cat.
Kitty cat.
What do they say?
Meow.
Meow. Very